Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure you're signed into the Google account tied to your channel. This gives YouTube the rights to show studio controls. Once signed in, open YouTube and focus on the top right area where your avatar lives. Click or tap that avatar to open the account menu. This is the gateway. From this menu, you can access channel options and YouTube Studio. Do this now so you can move straight into management tools without extra setup steps. Once you select YouTube Studio from the avatar menu, the platform loads a management interface called the Creator Dashboard. You want to wait for it to fully render because Studio populates analytics and content lists dynamically. Make sure to scan the left side menu where Content, Analytics, Comments, and Customization live. These are your primary tools. If you manage multiple channels, confirm the active channel at the top left. This step brings you into the heart of publishing and tracking on YouTube. You now focus on the dashboard, the Studio home screen showing cards for key metrics, recent videos, and channel alerts. Use those cards to get a quick sense of views, subscriber changes, and recent comments. Clicking a card takes you deeper into that feature. If the dashboard doesn't show, first refresh the page and ensure you're on the correct channel. Occasionally, you must clear cache or sign out and back in. If issues persist, try another browser to rule out extensions interfering.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.